All right, continuing with our readings here of A Changed Mind by David Bayer. We are on video 3 of 5, where we're going through the 4 blessings of failure, which is, again, a brilliant job that David does of reframing the idea of failure and the concept of the fear of failure into 4 radically mind-altering perspectives of how we can see it differently, which would then enable us and empower us to take positive action in our life to get the outcomes and results that we want. So if you haven't watched video 1 and 2, those are available. This is video 3. The second blessing of failure is redirection. You're being redirected from one relationship to another relationship, from one job to another job, and from one geographic place to another geographic place, and you're being redirected in a positive way. Again, I don't need to convince you of this. You can find evidence in your own life that this has always happened to you time and time again. There is an invisible guiding intelligence that is escorting you toward your vision that uses what it is commonly misunderstood as failure to shepherd you to greater opportunities and results. Things always get better. But in the moment when we don't have that perspective, we think that what we're experiencing is failure and oftentimes miss the opportunity. It's simply a redirection. Very simple and elegant yet powerful way to be able to look at maybe some unhappy or unpleasant things that you're going through right now in life that you might consider failure. And he's right. When you look back over your life, over the history of your life, there are so many moments and chapters and phases in my life where at the time it was failure, at the time it was pain, at the time it was frustration. And now looking back, it's oh, thank God. You know, relationships, like he lists, relationships. Yes, I've had many of those. I bet maybe you have too, right? Career or job opportunities, friendships, places that I live, the list goes on and on and on. So if it's true before, in previous frustrating and painful situations that maybe felt like failure at the time, and now they're, oh, thank God's, what's to say that one that you're going through right now isn't the case? And what's to say if you do take action and that does happen, that isn't the case, and it's simply redirecting you to a better path? See you in the next video.